everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a very cool, very rare 1969 Dodge Charger SE. This is a factory, it's matching numbers, 3-3 4-speed car with air. Very rare car to find. I bought the car here. I bought the car here locally from a gentleman. This is a factory color combination, Q5 turquoise. I think the car has the original tan interior, and I think that's the original vinyl top on that car as well. The car, it comes with a ton of paperwork. Couple of broadcast sheets, window sticker, there's a bunch of stuff that goes with it in the trunk. He bought the car, I think he said out of Florida, and then he has spent thousands of dollars on this car. Sorry, trying to wait for the traffic to hear people say you can't hear me sometimes. All new electrical. He just went through, I think he said he went through 2 different wiring harnesses to find the right one. All new suspension, springs, tie rod heads, brakes. The drivetrain has been upgraded. The car was originally restored in the late 80s. That's when this car was painted. So don't think this has show paint on it. You can pick the paint. You can pick the vinyl top. Like I said, I think the interior is actually original, so you can pick it. Now, again, don't think you can't take it to car shows. He drove it to car shows. But if you're looking for show paint, this is not the car. Again, it's definitely presentable. It's something you can drive, but this is 40-year-old paint, guys. Again, original color, and I think in the jams and in the engine compartment, it's actually the original paint for this car. Again, neat car, very rare car. I knew somebody would just fall in love with this thing and just have to have it, but cool car. Again, you can pick it as you walk around it. You can nitpick the car, no doubt about it. Bumpers are straight, they're clean. Again, as you walk around this car, you can pick at the paint, guys. Hood mount turn signals work. He told me everything on the car works except for the radio and the clock, and he didn't want the clock to work. It's got original. This is the original glass. That's original Chrysler front windshield. How many times have you seen that? That's why I left the side glass up. Again, I do believe this is the original vinyl top. Yes, you can pick at it. Again, still presentable, but you can pick at this vinyl top. You know what I mean? And again, you go around the paint and you can pick at it. It shines. Like I say, it's he wanted to drive this car. All right, just a little dust there. I guess they did put quarters on it when they did the restoration in the 80s, and I think he said they did put a trunk pan in it. I think the rest of the panels are original. About the only thing I thought about doing was putting maybe some 15-inch Magnum 500s on it and then just drive the heck out of this thing. So I'll tell you one thing, it drives good. Yes, he's got the smaller 14s on it with the BFGs. Instead of 15-inch chrome Magnums, in my opinion, would look great on this car, but I thought he said it came like this. Nathan said I'm being too hard on this car. He says I'm being harsh. But man, we sell so many things, these cars sight unseen. They go all over the world, and I just don't want people to think they're getting show paint, you know? Again, matching numbers, 3-3 car, matching numbers, 4-speed trans. I think he said it's got an Edelbrock carb on it. Stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. They have upgraded it to hardened valve seats. Again, Trans has been gone through. Clutch, pressure plate, that's been gone through. Rear axle's been gone through. They've upgraded. It is a factory air car, but this is a classic air unit. And it blows cold. They've updated it to electronic ignition. This is your original paint in here. Hood mount turn signals work. There's your fender tag. Again, it's power steering, power brakes, and again, the air blows ice cold. Can't remember what he said he just paid to fix those turn signals. Original A-pillar chrome, this original mirror, remote mirror. Again, still has the original door handles on it. I think this is your original paint, guys. And I believe that's all the original interior. I've ordered new mats for it. They're on the way. Again, you can see the driver's seat's got splits in it. The rest of the interior, I think, is pretty darn good. I'm sure that's 124,000. Could be 24,000 since they last restored it in the 80s. You can see he's gone through the gauges. He's put new gauges up there. They weren't working. They had aftermarkets down here, so if you wanted, you could actually take those out. He's updated it to the classic air controls too, so they work great. I've got the original ball for it. He put the pistol grip shifter on it. Factory buckets, console. The clock doesn't work. Like I said, he's got all the gauges working now. 8 3/4 rear axle. There's your original paint right here. And again, a jack in here. There's no spare. Even the trunk light works. 2 broadcast sheets. There's your original purchase agreement, window sticker, all this stuff. Here's some the receipts on the restoration. That all goes with the car. Now somebody's going to have a blast with this car. Air that blows cold, a 4-speed. Again, very original underneath. New springs, he just went through that. Like I say, new front suspension, just went through the brakes. And again, I think that's your original paint right there. Yeah, you know, I always tell guys, man, the most fun I've ever had with a car, I had a 67 Satellite that had 45-year-old checked up paint on it. Man, I drove that freaking car everywhere. Had a blast with it. And I think that's exactly what somebody will do right here. And then down the road, if they decide to paint it, they got a 69 factory matching numbers 4-speed Charger with air. Just shut this thing off. Go ahead, Nathan, go ahead. You fire. Yeah, nice car, man. Air blows cold. You can just picture air on. Hood mount turn signals do work. Let's say that stuff works. Just went through those and said. All your gauges are functional. Boy, the air is nice and cold. And then, like I say, they do work down there as well, but you could take them out if you don't need them. You got them all working in the dash. Backup lights work. That's a good car right there. Someone's going to have a blast with that thing. You see the reverse light works. Couldn't get the radio to come on. I don't think he said it works. There, everything opens and closes nice. winking at us there for a second. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can definitely keep track of us on our social media too, on our Facebook page, on our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.